Did you know that 4,000 years ago, an ancient civilization had better bathrooms than most people in the 1800s? But here's the terrifying part. This knowledge completely vanished from the earth. The Minoan palace at Knossos had flushing toilets, hot and cold running water, and heated bathroom floors. While European kings were using chamber pots in their castles, these Bronze Age people had pressurized water systems and advanced sewage that prevented floods. They built multi-story plumbing and water filters that wouldn't be seen again for 3,000 years. Imagine having technology so advanced that when your civilization falls, the entire world forgets how to build it. What's truly chilling is thinking about all the knowledge we've lost forever. The Minoans had luxuries that took humanity millennia to rediscover. When their civilization disappeared, so did their secrets. It makes you wonder, what other ancient technologies have been erased from history? What incredible knowledge are we walking over every day, buried beneath our feet, lost to time forever?